Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Today we are unboxing a Tarion auto dolly. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis and I love filming unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, definitely gonna film a vlog about it. If I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture and playing with smart home things, I'll definitely film a video about those. And when I learn anything new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I film a tutorial and put that on the channel too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below, smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to unbox a Tarion auto dolly. So if you've been following along on the channel, you might remember a few months back, I actually unboxed a camera slider. And camera sliders are great if you want to go in a straight line. But if you actually want to wrap around something or change the direction, I often found I was going back to the camera on a towel trick for a lot of the shots that I wanted to get. And it was good, but it wasn't 100% smooth. So with an auto dolly, you have the ability to either go in a straight line or to wrap around something. So you can really change up your shots because you're not stuck with the straight line that a camera slider gives you. So that's enough about what this thing does. Let's get inside this box and have a look at it. So inside this box, we have the Tarion auto dolly. So it comes with a really nice remote control that you can see here. You also get a USB charging cable, the auto dolly manual, some silica gel, throw this out, and then you have the auto dolly itself right here. Little Allen key and an extra rubber tire, and a mounting adapter. And that's all that's left inside there. So one of the great things about this auto dolly is the size. It's literally like fits in the palm of my hand, which is super awesome because it's not going to take a lot of space in your gear bag. If you want to throw it in your pocket for the day, you can do that as well. And all you really need is a smooth surface and you're going to get some pretty nice shots. So there are multiple different ways that you can use the auto dolly by positioning these wheels. You can use it straight, you can use it for curve shooting. As long as you have a flat surface, sky's the limit. So in the manual, they actually go through a couple of the different modes and ways that you can use it. The other way they suggest using it is for curve shooting. It's just basically to curve the wheels like so. So the closer you put the wheels together, the smaller the diameter of the circle will be. The further you put them apart, the bigger the circle will be. So to start using this, take it out of your pocket or your bag, simply turn on the power button on the side, adjust your speed on the other side, and then press the arrow button. And as you can see, it started to do its thing. So that's doing a nice wide shot. So if we push the wheels closer together like so, turn it on, and go. You'll see we're getting a really tight turn. And if we place the wheels straight, like so, you can see you get that pan shot. So whether you're into product photography or you're just trying to get better B-roll, the Tarion auto dolly is an awesome buy. If you want to pick up one of these, I put a link in the description below. It'll take you directly to Amazon, and this was available for Prime, so I literally got it within one day. So So if you're looking for an inexpensive new piece of gear to upgrade your footage, I highly recommend the Tarion Auto Dolly. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.